Welcome friends. Today we will discuss what has happened today in the markets and we'll select the Nifty chart for 6 months so that the wider picture is clear. So let us see what kind of chart pattern, candlestick pattern has formed today on the charts. Here we see this last candle which is showing an open and close of equal level, and there is an upper wick which is smaller than the lower wick which is longer. However, the lower wick is not appreciably long as had happened a few days back, twice at least. Another thing to note is that today's closing is near about the 10-day moving average, which is well above the 20-day moving average, of course the exponential moving average. Other than that, we can note that today's lows were almost near the Bollinger Band lower level. Something more interesting is happening here. The Bollinger Bands are converging, and now Nifty is stuck between these two levels of around 15,900 and 15,600. So a breakout or a big breakdown is imminent, and let us see what other indicators are telling. So let's go down here. The RSI is at 56 and moving up. Another thing is that in the fast stochastic, the faster line has moved above the slower line. So these are the positive indications. However, in the slow stochastic, the faster line is below the slower line, which is a negative bias. Another thing to note is that in MACD, the faster line is still below the slower line. The faster line is still below the slower line. However, this is already happening for a few days now. So overall, today's candle has formed a positive signal. The Bollinger Bands have squeezed and there are chances of breakout or breakdown, both. But overall, the situation is positive. So my suggestion will be not to short at any cost. One more positive news is that the Dow Jones right now is showing very high values and is moving up at around 7:40 p.m. when this video is being recorded. So all the best for the next week, and hopefully the markets will be going up a bit slowly. Thanks a lot. Enjoy the weekend.